guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be filming today's video because it's actually part 3 of a yearly series that Parker and I do, and that is just like a marriage Q&A. We celebrated our 3-year anniversary last week, and next week we're actually moving into our new house. That is why I have wet hair. I already packed my blow dryer and I don't know where it is. This is gonna be like the last official sit down video filmed in this house. I'm thinking next week that I'm gonna do like a move out with me and kind of film like packing everything. So I'll still have another video in this house, but this is like the last one. Sitting down, chill in our room.
It's kind of sad.
I know, but I feel like it's a special one. Like this is our 3rd anniversary that we've celebrated in our house. Pretty exciting, but I had you guys ask us some questions on Instagram. First question, where do you see your relationship in 5 years?
I see our relationship hopefully being, better than it is right now. Not saying that right now is bad, but I would just hope that we're always getting better and closer.
I think we'll still be living in Salt Lake in 5 years. We've kind of talked about this, but long term, we don't see ourselves in Salt Lake. We see ourselves moving back to Southern Utah eventually. We don't know when that is, but I feel like our goal would be...
What if we get up there and it's like 6 months and we're like...
I don't think it's gonna be like that though. I feel like our goal is like 5 years.
Yeah.
Like at least 5 years, and then we don't know, so we'll see. But we're just ready for like a change and to have something new and to be in a new place. Next question, I thought this was a really good one. It says, do you think you still would have gotten married young if you were not doing YouTube?
Oh, that is an interesting one. YouTube was the reason that like we were financially, we were able to financially.
Yeah, I was gonna say no.
But yeah, probably not, because if we didn't have this financially, we'd probably you'd be living. What would you even do? That's what I always wonder. What would Aspyn do for work? She'd like work at American Eagle or something.
I feel like I would work at like some local company, like Albion or something. I think we would work there. But yeah, I don't think we would have been able to, because financially we wouldn't have been able to afford that. But I do think we still would have gotten married young.
I think so.
But maybe when like I was 21 and you were 22.
Yeah, and I probably would have like gone and worked a couple summers or something to like make money.
Do summer sales. Yeah, but definitely not at 19 and 20. Are you glad you guys didn't move in with each other until after you got married?
I am. Aspyn's not. She wishes that she would have got to live with me first.
Because I felt like we had been dating for so long, and it had only been 2 years, and like I was 19 and you were 20, so we were so young.
Yeah. We're still so young.
Yeah, we still are. I'm 22 now. Parker's 23. You know how usually you'll be like, oh, but then like what does marriage even mean if it's like not really changing anything because you already live together and all of that?
Yeah.
But I feel like it's kind of even more special if you do live together before, because then you really know like this is life with you and I want to commit to this forever, as opposed to like, well, I think our life's going to be good. We haven't lived together. We don't know, but I love you, so let's get married. You know what I mean? Do you think you will like living in Salt Lake?
I think that there will be pros and cons to it. Just like there are pros and cons to where we live now. It's like summer all year round. It's like the best. But we don't have like a major airport, and we're kind of a small town, so we don't have like major restaurants and stuff like that. Yeah. So it'll be fun to have a place where like we can go to a professional basketball game like on a Friday night if we want to, you know?
I think we'll really like Salt Lake. Like I said earlier in the video, we plan to move back here like eventually to like settle down when we're like 30 or whatever. But I think we'll like it up there. Would you ever share a toothbrush?
Hell no!
You can't swear!
Heck no! Aspyn used my toothbrush.
It was on accident.
Yeah, on accident.
And like I can't think. I want you guys to comment down below your answer, because I think this is the most disgusting thing in the world.
Maybe you shouldn't say that, because people might say that.
No, that's gross, and I don't care who knows it. That is so nasty. Like if we went on a trip and I didn't have a toothbrush and you did, I would rather just not brush my teeth. Or like I would just use like my finger and toothpaste. Like I would not use your toothbrush. I would just go to the store and get my own toothbrush. What has been your favorite period of your marriage so far?
Which one? Which of your periods has been your favorite? But I thought it was fun when we were like traveling a lot.
Yeah, I was gonna say like when we first got married, I feel like it was really fun, because I just feel like life has gotten harder as we've gotten older, just because you have to like grow up and be an adult, and we were literally teenagers when we got married. Just life in general like wasn't quite as serious, and like there wasn't as much going on, and we were traveling a ton, so I feel like that was just such a fun time, because we were like just so carefree and just like woohoo, and we had just got married and it was really fun. Do you guys want to renew your vows one day?
Maybe.
That'd be fun.
Yeah, that would be fun. If like we went on a trip somewhere and like in Greece or something, like had a little
that'd be cute
vow renewal thing.
Or Bora Bora, where we went on our honeymoon.
What does that mean though? Does that mean like have like a whole ceremony like renewal thing or something, or you mean just us two personally like be like let's re-say our vows to each other or whatever?
I don't know. I don't really know anyone who's like ever done that.
Like
so I don't
actually
know.
renewed them. But like,
Yeah.
remember the TV show that we watched, The Beermans?
Oh yeah.
Remember they planned a whole trip or
They
something
went
to
Turks
like,
and Caicos.
to
Yeah,
have
I
a
feel
ceremony to do it.
It would be like our kids and like just immediate family.
Well, no, but still, like, is that what you're saying? Like, if we were to renew our vows, you would want like our kids and some friends and have a little ceremony thing, or you'd want just like like when we first got married, our vows, we said them to each other in Bora Bora, like on the back deck, like just the two of us. Is that what you'd want to do,
No,
or
I
you'd
feel like
want
I want
a
like
ceremony?
a little ceremony, maybe like 10 or 15. Well, I feel like people do that when they're like 50.
Yeah,
I was gonna say like 10-year anniversary, but
25
maybe like our 30-year anniversary or something.
Yeah.
The next question is, why did you choose to not wait until marriage? Because we thought each
Why
other
did we
was
not
so
choose?
cute.
It's just like a physical thing.
Yeah, but I mean, some people that's like a really important like.
Well, yeah, definitely. We were pretty into each other. I mean, I saw myself with you in the future.
Yeah.
So I feel like we both kind of knew that, like.
Yeah, we had been
we were getting
together,
married.
graduated out of high school. We planned on getting married.
It was probably like within a year of the marriage. It was pretty deep into the relationship, is all I mean.
But yeah, I feel like we knew we were gonna get married, and so that's why we like felt comfortable to do that. Because we definitely like we were each other's first. We were not just doing that with any random people. So it was still really special to us. But like I said, if I could have chosen, would have like even lived together before marriage. I just feel like everyone has their opinion, and a lot of people do it for like religious reasons and whatever. But I'm glad we did it the way that we did. Next question. Do you like the way that I decorate the house?
I mean, I think it's cute and like trendy and like it's definitely good for what we do. Like it's great for photos and videos and stuff. But I mean, honestly, if I were to decorate it,
well, obviously
I like
your
the
style's
furniture. Like the
different.
furniture and stuff is great. Yeah, but I obviously wouldn't have pink everywhere and like.
But
I
I
mean,
feel
and
like
I would maybe have like cooler pictures. Like I would have my paint pictures up on the walls and stuff.
See, I'm not like a person who prints like my own photos.
Yeah, exactly.
I feel like the most important thing to you is just that everything's like comfy and functional.
Definitely.
Like you would hate if I had like.
I like a homey place.
Where were you guys when Parker proposed to you?
Santorini.
We were in Greece. I will link our engagement video and our wedding video and our 1-year marriage Q&A, 2-year marriage Q&A, all down below if you guys want to have a marathon. What is the best thing you and Parker have done together since you've been married?
That's hard.
I think traveling.
We've done a lot of, well, is that what they mean? Just generic? Just
yeah.
Oh.
Just
well,
like
then, yeah,
overall
travel.
like the best thing. I just feel like it's been
travel.
so special.
For sure.
To get to like travel the world, just like the things that we've got to experience and see, and like the people that we've met, just like seeing the other cultures and like different parts of the world is so special. We've done it together.
Yeah.
Next question, would you like to have twins?
I mean, if it happened, yeah, that'd be fine.
Yeah, I don't want to say no in case we did and then they see this video and they're like, what? But if I could pick, I would definitely want one baby first.
Yeah.
I've like never thought about even having twins.
Yeah, me
ever.
either.
When are you guys planning on having a baby? The most frequently asked question that we've ever had in the entire world. Whenever God decides to bless us with a baby, we will take it. We originally decided to start trying on our 2-year anniversary, and then we were like, okay, let's like wait a couple months, just kind of wanting to like get more ready. But I feel like this is the first time that I've ever really felt like we
went
ready.
to Mexico, so
yeah, but we
wasn't
were gonna
because
wait
of that.
until Valentine's Day anyways.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's right.
But yeah, we've talked about this on our vlog channel a million times, so I won't really get into it. But basically, there were just some reasons that we like wanted to wait just for like health things. Now that time period is over, so whenever we have a baby, we will be super excited. I was watching our last marriage Q&A and I'm sad because I was like, oh, at our 3-year anniversary, like I definitely think I would at least be pregnant.
Really?
But I think at our 4-year anniversary, I'm really gonna cross my fingers, hope and pray that we have a baby or
pregnant.
I'm pregnant.
I would say for sure one or the other.
Are you still learning new things about each other after 3 years?
Are you?
No.
Probably not.
I knew everything already. I feel like we knew like pretty much everything about each other. Like
Pretty
obviously you grow as people and so like new things can happen, but like just as people we knew each other so well when we got married. Like we had just experienced so much together already that we knew everything. Next and last question, who is the jealous one?
Probably Aspyn.
I feel like both of us, I feel like everyone's like a little bit jealous, just
Yeah.
like, but I was gonna say, I feel like we're not really ever in like situations where like one of us would be jealous, because it's not like we're going out to like the club and like some girl is like talking to you and I'm like, what the freak? Like we just aren't ever in situations where like one of us is like jealous.
Yeah.
Like we hang out with the same group of friends and like there's just no
There's
time
no
that any of us
jealousy.
feel jealous. Yeah. Yeah, that is all of the questions that we're gonna answer today. Super excited to watch this video in a year when
Yeah,
we're
me too.
celebrating our 4 years. Make sure that you guys check out our vlog channel because all this week we're going to be doing a ton of moving vlogs. Literally, I have a list of like 50 different ideas of like things that we're gonna pack and things we're gonna do. Just kidding, not 50.
One vlog, packing my bathroom. The next vlog, packing my kitchen.
Yeah, people love moving vlogs. We're literally gonna do like a lot because
Okay.
people love it. And then I'm gonna have a moving video on this channel. So make sure you guys subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our vlog channel. Link is down below. That is all. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Guys.